This is a simple method, Bindu Garu, where you can prepare poha within 5 minutes and you can serve it like a breakfast.
Okay.
If you know upma, same style, you can prepare this.
Okay.
How means మీ ఇంట్లో అటుకులు ఉంటే గనక you can do this within 5 minutes. How means the process is very simple. I will share my screen about the ingredients. I will type it ingredients. After that, I will show how to prepare it.
Okay.
Now I will share my screen to you all.
Not yet.
It will come slowly.
Yeah, now your screen is visible.
Yes. Ingredients for poha. First one. పోహా ఇన్ తెలుగులో మనం ఏమంటామంటే అటుకులు అంటాం ఇన్ తెలుగు. సెకండ్ థింగ్ చనా దాల్. I will write the quantity also, how much you can take it. 2 tablespoon. 2 TBSP means 2 tablespoon. 1 TSP means 1 teaspoon.
Okay. Okay.
Coriander 1 bunch. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Curry leaves 1 spring. Curry leaves kuda we don't want to add.
You have already shared it in the group, kada?
I already shared it. I already shared the
ingredients list.
Why I am typing again means I am recording it and I will post it in the group, as well as I will post it in YouTube also.
Yeah, sounds good.
So that if they are ready to prepare, they can prepare it easily. Curry leaves, green chili. Green chili, you don't want to take that much. Only 6 number is enough. Hing. Hing means in Telugu we'll call it as a inguva. Just 1 pinch is enough.
Yes. Okay.
Little bit. Mustard seeds. In West Bengal, they will use a lot of mustard oil. Actually, this belongs to West Bengal only. Poha belongs to West Bengal side. They will use much this mustard oil, mustard seeds, and all. Just ingredients will be more, but preparation time is less. For preparation, we need to keep all the ingredients before 5 minutes before when we start preparation of cooking each and everything. Onion 1 is enough. Peanuts 2 tablespoon. Poha 1 cup is enough. According to your requirement, I am writing here quantity also. 1 cup is enough poha. Red chili, that too dry one. Red chili, that too dry one. 2 pieces is enough. 2 number is enough. That too dry chili. Dry red chili. Salt, according to your requirement, you can add salt. If you want to make poha, just salt is required. That is according to your taste. అంటే మీకు టేస్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో దాన్ని బట్టి. ఇఫ్ సమ్ పీపుల్ అంటే కొంతమంది సాల్ట్ తక్కువ తింటారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు తక్కువ వేసుకుంటారు. Yes.
పోహా అంటారు దాన్ని తయారు చేస్తాం.
Yes. టర్మరిక్ పసుపు అకార్డింగ్ టు ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్. మీరు అంతా ఎక్కువ అవసరం లేదు, పించ్ చేసుకుంటే చాలు. పించ్ చాలు అంటే లైట్ గా. అండ్ ఉరద్ దాల్ అంటే ఇంట్లో మినపగుళ్ళు ఉంటే గనక జస్ట్ 1 TSP ఇస్ ఎనఫ్. 1 TSP అంటే 1 టీ స్పూన్ అని అర్థం. TBSP అంటే 1 టేబుల్ స్పూన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఫర్ పోహా. ఇది మొత్తం ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్. ఎవరైనా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటే తీసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ఐ విల్ సేవ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్. ఓకే, ప్రిపరేషన్ ఎలా అంటే, మీరు పోహా రెడీ చేసుకునే ముందు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పోహా యూ నీడ్ టు వాష్ ఇట్. 1 టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఇనఫ్. ఒక్కసారి వాష్ చేస్తే చాలు. మీరు రైస్ ఎంతసేపు వాష్ చేస్తారు? 2 or 3 times వాష్ చేస్తారు కాబట్టి ఫర్ పోహా 1 టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఇనఫ్. ఒకసారి వాష్ చేసి అంటే 2 types గా వాష్ చేయాలి. ఒకటి నార్మల్ వాటర్తో వాష్ చేయాలి, ప్లస్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్తో సోక్ చేయాలి. సోకింగ్ కూడా జస్ట్ 5 to 10 minutes is enough. After that, take a pan, add oil, add cumin seeds, add mustard seeds, peanuts, red chilli, urad dal, mix it well. అంటే మొత్తం కొంచెం కలర్ వచ్చేటట్టు ఫ్రై చేయాలి. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ చనా దాల్, ఆనియన్, peanuts, turmeric little bit, hing little bit, green chilli. At last you need to add curry leaves. One spring is enough. In Telugu oka rebba antaru kada, 1 spring is enough. You have to add freshly. Fresh curry leaves is very needed to making of poha. Once it is mixed, అంటే మొత్తం మిక్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ ఆనియన్స్ అనేది కూడా రానెస్ అనేది మీకు ఆ స్మెల్ అనేది రాకూడదు. ఎప్పుడైనా ఆనియన్స్ ఫ్రై చేసేటప్పుడు కానీ ఆ రా స్మెల్ అనేది రాకూడదు. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ రా స్మెల్ రావట్లేదో, అండ్ ఫర్ పోహా వన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సోక్డ్ అవుట్, స్ట్రెయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ పోహాని ఇమీడియట్ గా ఆ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఉన్న హండీలో వేసుకోండి, ఆ ప్యాన్ లో వేసుకొని మిక్స్ చేసేయండి. మిక్స్ ఇట్ విత్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్. యూ కెన్ యాడ్ what is it, turmeric at starting stage only. Starting stage you can add turmeric and you can mix it well. After that you need to finish off with coriander. 1 bunch is enough. 1 bunch finely chopped. మీరు ఇంట్లో ఫర్ చికెన్ కర్రీ ఆర్ ఫర్ మటన్ కర్రీ you will use rough chop. I will show how you can chop it. Just please wait.
Sir,
Yeah.
poha means what, sir?
Poha in Telugu it can be called as atukulu.
Okay, sir.
I will show the pic also of poha after this. See, for onions, I mean for coriander, how you will cut it means just cut it into 2 halves, and once again another half, keep it on first half and cut it like this. Chop it like this, finely chop. Fine chop is enough, not rough chop, just fine chop. Just put your fingers like this and cut it like this. Rough chop, you need to go fast, then only you can you will get coriander rough chop. After this, once it is finished, mix it well, have a taste. Just small taste is enough. If anything is less you can add it, or otherwise finish it off with lemon juice. Off the flame and serve it hot. I mean you can serve this in breakfast also. Morning breakfast can serve this poha, hot poha. This is a simple recipe where you can find out within 5 to 6 minutes you can prepare the poha.
After seeing the recipe, we also felt like that.
Okay.
Usually the problem with this recipe is we get it like smudged one.
Yeah.
The dryness, how we can maintain the dryness is just to be understood that you only don't have to soak it, you only have to dip and remove it.
Yes, that's it. No, you have to soak it. I mean, just 4 to 5 minutes is enough for soaking.
Okay.
4 to 5 minutes after soaking, just
Okay.
remove the water, press it on top so that excess of
okay.
water will go out.
Okay.
If you
Sir,
are
1
not,
minute, sir.
yeah.
But we got it.
Okay.
So probably, anyways, you'll share the content in the group, right? But your explanation is very much understood.
Yeah, thank you, Bindu garu. It's a small thing, and within 5 to 10 minutes can prepare the poha. Exact time, it will take time up to 5 minutes only for poha. If you are
Okay.
taking more poha, it will take time more. Preparation will be
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
According to your
Okay.
poha content, the time will be taken, and as well as you need to be cautious while you're mixing of a poha. I mean, once it is mixed,
Okay.
you need to taste it, and within 2 or 3 minutes, you need to put off your flame, because
Okay.
it is very delicate thing. Same like prawns. While you're
Right.
cooking or frying prawns, you need to check every time, because it will
Okay.
be quickly deep fried. Same way, same
Okay.
for poha also. You need to check every time. You need to be there only. You need
Okay.
to be there in the kitchen itself. Otherwise, your entire recipe will gone bad. Just every time you need to be there while you're making delicate recipes like a poha, or like a prawns, or like small. I mean, if you are making any Apollo fish fry, or basa fish fry, you need to be there because it is so delicate. Just they are giving only fish fillets, and you will cut into pieces, right? So it will be delicate. If you are not able
Yes.
to check it out each and everything will be gone bad. That's why you need to be very careful in kitchen also. Just kitchen
When
safety.
you have mentioned about the fillet in yesterday's recipe, then we understood that it has to be done within 30 minutes.
Yes, each and everything have to be done. I mean, time management is very important while you're making this type of delicate recipes like poha, or like prawns, or like Apollo fish, or basa fish, or any other thing. Just
Okay.
ingredients should be pre-prepared before starting off your recipe. Even for poha also, you need to prepare before itself. If you're waking up at 6 o'clock, means within 20 minutes, your pre-preparation of ingredients have to be ready, like your poha, like your urad dal, chana dal, neem, I mean lemon, and dry chilies, green chilies, onions, mustard seeds,
Right.
peanuts, poha, I mean dry poha. I mean, you need to wet it out. After that, you need to squeeze it out, squeeze the water, each and everything. After
Sir,
that,
sir, your
yes,
voice is cutting, sir.
According to Wikipedia, an actor is a
I hope your network is less. Bindu garu, can